Thanks for the introduction, Jim, and good morning everybody. I'll be spending the next few minutes bringing you up to speed with the latest version of our Service Centre module, Keyfax Repair Diagnostics and Keyfax Enquiries. We'd spent time prior to the transition of ownership focusing our efforts under the hood, ensuring Keyfax was efficient, easy to implement and administer, secure and using up-to-date technologies. We spent time working with partners to improve the integration between Keyfax and the host systems, and we put a lot of effort into developing our own integration for Microsoft Dynamics. More about that later. We were conscious, however, that these improvements weren't immediately obvious to the end user, and that it had been a while since Keyfax had had a facelift. Version 4.3 was going to be a significant release for OnFax, being the first major version since TouchBase took the reins, and so we decided this would be an ideal time to overhaul the look and feel. So, what have we changed? We wanted to bring the appearance right up to date while keeping Keyfax recognisably Keyfax. Everything your team are used to using can still be found in the same places, with a few additions. Keyfax still sports a simple, easy to use interface, but it now has a clean, modern, flat design. Keyfax is now responsive, adapting its layout based on the size of the screen. This is useful for staff working from home or using a mobile device such as a tablet or mobile phone. The tree structure used for category selection has been replaced with the more familiar chevrons. And the icons have been simplified and standardised throughout to feel less intrusive during the diagnosis, while remaining easily accessible. The Keyfax client window now saves its size and position, removing the need for users to change it each time they launch Keyfax. And our team have improved and expanded our model image library. Our topic hotspots, previously black and white line drawings, have been replaced with full colour 3D images. Eye-catching and packed full of detail, they've been updated to more accurately represent the components your team and their customers will be discussing. And as always, if you can't find what you're looking for in our model, your team are able to add images of any components using the Keyfax administration console. Our team can even work with you to design and produce images to your specification. The questions and messages have been overhauled as part of the new design, addressing the text, buttons and question field, increasing the size and adding highlights to draw the eye. We've given the messages bolder colours, moving the styling from the body of the message to the header, making the message type and how the information should be delivered clearer at a glance. We've also recently updated the message editor, which I know will bring a smile to the faces of our Keyfax administrators. Keyfax RD allows the repair priority and order quantity to be changed on the results screen. This feature is great for providing flexibility in unexpected scenarios and helping others to better understand where tweaks or additional support might be needed. It also offers the ability to report on the change justifications. Feedback from our users told us this wasn't immediately obvious in previous versions, highlighted with a single underline. We've addressed that by adding the universally understood pencil icon for making edits. The new look and feel is consistent across both of our Keyfax Service Centre modules. Keyfax Enquiries has received the same overhaul and includes the clean, modern look and feel, the new tabs, icons and buttons, changes to the questions and messages, and uses the same responsive design. Even with our focus on Keyfax presentation, we've still managed to squeeze in some upgrades behind the scenes. We've made improvements to password management, allowing administrators to enforce your password policies. All pages are now HTML5, and Keyfax takes advantage of Bootstrap 4. These and other enhancements are great news for the speed and future-proofing of Keyfax. More information about those and other technical changes can be found on our version 4.3 blog, on our website and our LinkedIn page. Now I'd like to introduce you to one of our newest enhancements for Keyfax RD, completed in August and developed for Melyn Homes. Melyn Homes are an award-winning housing association covering South East Wales, and in 2019 they chose Keyfax Repair Diagnostics to support their customer services team. Melyn take advantage of the Add Another function in Keyfax Repair Diagnostics. For those of you that haven't used it, Add Another allows users to diagnose and submit multiple repairs in a single Keyfax session. The Keyfax results screen displays the most recent repair, and selecting Add Another returns the user to the category selection screen to start a new diagnosis. In June, the team at Melyn approached us with a request. Could we provide a way for their team to see a summary of all of the repairs diagnosed? Typically that information would be viewed in the host system, but the customer services team wanted to provide a summary to the customer before submitting Keyfax. We worked with the Melyn team to clarify their requirements, then we spent time developing, receiving their feedback, and tweaking. The outcome was a new addition called Previous Items. Once the user has selected Add Another and starts a new diagnosis, Previous Items becomes available, allowing them to view any of the repairs diagnosed during the session. Previous Items is available in the Current Call tab. This made sense to us and the Melyn team because Keyfax users already go to the Current Call tab to see a history of the repair in progress. Adding all of the repairs discussed on the current call was the next logical step. Previous Items details the repair description, the cost and the responsibility at a glance, or you can use the chevron to expand the previous item for further detail, including the SOR code, the quantity and the priority. Previous Items is also available on the results screen, allowing the Melyn customer services team to quickly and easily summarise repairs diagnosed before submitting Keyfax. Previous Items is being implemented at Melyn right now as part of their 4.3 upgrade. We've had some great feedback from the testers. Since the release of version 4.3, we've upgraded customers across the UK, including Saffron Housing Association, Radius Housing, Citizen, Hasto Housing Association, and more. Version 4.3 is available to all of our customers now and will include the enhancements I've mentioned today. It will also include the Previous Items enhancement for those of you using the Add Another function. If you'd like to arrange an upgrade, if you have any questions about our products and services, or if you'd like a conversation about how your organisation is currently using Keyfax, please contact one of our team. Thanks for your time today.
Thanks, Andrew. Good stuff. And now let's move on to our Dynamics 365 environment. And Trevor's going to tell us a little bit about something that's being done for omnichannel. So over to you, Trevor.